eastern Prince George's County in central Maryland until 9:15 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lanham-Seabrook to Marlow Heights, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bowie, Clinton, Crofton, Forestville, Largo, Mayo, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Upper Marlboro, South River, Breezy Point, Road River, Andrews Air Force Base, Camp Springs, Oxon Hill, Parole, Kettering, Walker Mill, and Mitchellville. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, Pawtuxet River to Brooms Island, Maryland, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles west of Mayo to International Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Choptank River, Blackconet Point, Solomon's Island, Cuckold Creek, Drum Point, North Beach, James Island, Calvert Cliffs, Poplar Island, Tillman Island, Chesapeake Beach, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Yeah.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 44 remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, and the Russell, Baltimore, Hartford, Howard, Montgomery, Georges, and the Maryland Independent City of Baltimore, and the following Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland,